Click subscribe now. You have now savings PEPE. Hello. This time, a simple way to savings PEPE using your smartphone. I would like to talk about this topic. What is savings? I think there are people who think like that. Savings is a system where you can get a return on your deposit by savings cryptocurrency. It would be a waste to just have PEPE, so I recommend savings it. This time, I'd like to try savings PEPE with Bitget, which offers a yield. For information on how to buy PEPE, please see this video. Please check the details section of the video. You can also open a Bitget account to savings PEPE via the details section of the video. If you register by entering the referral code zukq in the video details section, you will receive virtual currency, coupons, and other benefits, so it's a good deal. As with anything, if you don't take action first, nothing will change. Most people don't do anything, so the opportunities only come to those who take action. I think it would be a good idea to take this opportunity to take your first step. If you don't know where to start, I recommend opening a Bitget account, which you can do easily with just your email address. Once you have completed the Bitget account registration from the video details section, you can receive your benefits from this icon on the top page. Also, this channel distributes information on cryptocurrencies. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get straight to the point. Savings PEPE. Open the Bitget top page. Click Earn. Enter PEPE in the search box. Click Savings. Enter the amount you want to savings. Click Subscribe now. You have now savings PEPE. That's all for this time. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.